But first I have to fix my outside speaker. Last year, driving down a road, our microwave fell out. So I built this derpy shelf in replace of it. And when it fell out of the bottom, the speaker got pulled down and shorted out the wiring harness in the back. This is what it sounds like now. It sounds high, but the outside speaker is not working. Step one, we're going to turn the power off. And just turn this little thing right here. Power's now off. Step one. The faceplate just pops right off in the middle here. There's a little groove. Stick your screwdriver on, and it pops right out, exposing the screws. Next, you unscrew. And this is the wiring harness I have to fix or replace. I got a new one from Forest River today, under warranty. Nope, the repair did not work. Must be the actual cord to the speaker. Alright, I'm going to try and replace the speaker wire. I just took a length of speaker wire off of my speakers in the house, and this is from when I had to repair this. I just used these white screws for eavesdropping or whatever. So I'm just gonna try and pull. There's my speaker wire. I just want to try this out before I hook up anything more permanent to see if this is what the problem is. Right, I tied this end off so I don't pull the thing all the way through. Now I'm just going to unscrew the barrettes on the pink wiring because they go to the outside speaker. And I have the balance set up that it should be going to the speaker. Negative. And it works. So, I think I remember it being louder than that.